Update on the wine cap mushroom garden. So we planted these in a course that we ran a few months ago in July, and today we just had a look under here and look what's popped up overnight. And these mushrooms are great if you're not very good at keeping close attention to mushrooms in buckets where they need quite a lot of care and attention. These ones, we spread the wood chips under here that were sterilised, and then we mixed the mycelium through it, and then basically we've just watered it a few times and just let it do its thing. It's under this big beautiful tree here which keeps it shaded from the hot sun, and now a few months later we have all these beautiful mushrooms popping up.